Let's see gorilla plus kraken hybrid.
Let's see crocodile plus snake hybrid. Let's see spider plus bat hybrid.
Let's see mermaid plus harpy fusion. Let's see tiger plus turtle hybrid. Let's see bear and frog hybrid.
Let's see crocodile plus scorpion hybrid. Let's see wolf plus moth hybrid. Let's see hyena plus cockroach hybrid. Let's see leopard plus eel hybrid. Let's see crocodile plus frog hybrid. Let's see shark plus crow hybrid. Let's see wolf plus lamprey hybrid. Let's see shark plus scorpion fusion.
Let's see bear plus squid hybrid. Let's see crocodile plus centipede hybrid.
Let's see cobra plus spider hybrid. Let's see fox plus millipede hybrid. Let's see mermaid plus scorpion hybrid.
Let's see bear plus octopus hybrid.
Let's see tiger plus monitor lizard hybrid.
Let's see bear plus wasp hybrid.
Let's see horse plus kraken hybrid. Let's see boar plus centipede hybrid.
Please like the video and subscribe our channel.